Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is Preventing DDoS Attacks by Identifier and Locator Separation. Now going to explain the abstract. The main environment going to propose is distributed denial of service. This is a type of attack consists of both end-target system and all systems maliciously controlled by the hacker, or nothing we call bot master. In existing system they use a locator and identifier separator. It is mainly used to prevent, but in the proposed system we are using to detect the attacked system. Now going to explain the data flow diagram. The process starts with inserting the dataset, considering a network dataset which contains HTTP request and the links. By using the dataset, first we have to calculate the average and normal registration value. If it's calculated successfully, we can get the access matrix computation. Otherwise, we have to process the dataset insertion process again. After access matrix computation, we have to calculate the principal component analysis. If it's successfully calculated, we can get the eigenvector. After eigenvector computation, we can apply it to the hidden semi-Markov chain model training. In the hidden semi-Markov chain model, we get the entropy value, which is varied or not. We have to validate that. If it is varied, it's called the attacker system. Finally, the attacker system is detected successfully. Now going to show the demo of the project. This is the starting page of our project. By clicking start process, we are starting further process. Here, first process, loading the data is nothing but considering the dataset which have an attributes are host, timestamp, HTTP request, HTTP reply and bytes. Have to count the value and have to calculate the average registration with the help of distinct users and the number of counts. By clicking average registration, we get the average registration value, and by clicking access matrix, we are going to compute the access matrix using the table with these three attributes and calculate the normal registration. Based on these two values, going to calculate the access matrix. Then the next process, principal component analysis. The output of this process is eigen matrix. The eigen matrix is calculated with the help of average matrix, different matrix and covariance matrix. And finally we get the eigen matrix with these above three matrices. I'm going to apply the hidden semi-Markov chain model having the two hidden states, and the final output will be the sequence probability and the entropy value. Basing on the entropy value variations, we are going to detect the abnormal uses. Hence we can detect the IP address as an attacker. Finally, for getting the performance evaluation, by clicking this evaluation button, performance evaluation is shown between the entropy and the time. The line which is shown that average weight. In the previous process, we just see the detection of DDoS. Now going to show the prevention process. How to detect that attacker will be prevented from the further process. For that, here we are selecting the login process. For that we have a login page and have to run the server form. The whole process will be monitored and controlled by the server. So first of all, we have to start the server, and in login form the user have to accept the server request, and the server is started now. Now the user can register, can be logged in. So login successfully. Whole the process will be monitored. If the user does the malware activities like by entering the wrong password, means the whole thing is monitored by the user. Now the number of limits will be crossed and the user account will be blocked. Finally, the user is blocked if they do malicious activities. Like this, the user will be blocked. If the user again try to log in with the correct username and password, means also they can't access into the process.